So I'm Richard Ingram, I'm a gastroenterology trainee in the East Midlands. So what we set up was something we called the Garnet, or Gastroenterology Audit and Research Network. We started it in November 2016, and it's really trying to bring together a group of trainees to focus on projects across different hospitals, trying to bring together efforts to make a greater difference to patient care.
Richard's been absolutely pivotal in setting up the trainee network. His enthusiasm is just in abundance. He really drives the network, and in a very short space of time he's set up a fantastic website. He's engaged with trainees across the region.
It can be difficult as a trainee when you've got a lot of other objectives to meet to fit research and innovation into your day-to-day work, but actually as the future medical workforce for the UK, it's really important to get people engaged. It's really nice to be recognised. So by no means is it me on my own with this. It's on behalf of all my colleagues who've been involved in setting up the network, also consultant mentors, and the support we've had from the CRN as well.
My name's Gaurav Gulsin. I'm a clinical research fellow that works for the University of Leicester. I'm a cardiology trainee that is taking a period of time out of my clinical training to do some research. And what that involves is a 3-year programme that contributes to my PhD, where I'm doing research specifically interested in looking at how and why diabetes affects the heart. Usually my week surrounds having patients that come in who we recruit for our research studies here, who have type 2 diabetes. And what I do with a whole group of people, it's not just me, is we bring these people into our facility here and we essentially guide them through a series of tests that evaluate their heart structure and function. It's a tremendous privilege, I think, in the first instance to be nominated and put forward for this accolade, and it's something that's really unexpected. I must say, what I do here is, in my opinion, my job. So being recognised over and above just the day-to-day work that I do anyway, it's a real honour, but not something that I expected.
My name's Andrew Tabner. I'm a research fellow in the emergency department, so I spend about half of my time working clinically on the shop floor, seeing and treating patients, and the other half of my time is focused primarily on research. I met Graham Johnson, who's the research lead in Derby, a few years ago when he was still a registrar, and actually we just had an idea for a project between us. It was kind of new, kind of unusual, and we wanted to be, it was exciting, and through that single project we've kind of learned on the job about the different aspects of research.
Andrew's been working just really hard with getting stuff started within the department, recruiting to trials, putting lots and lots of his own time and energy into developing research within the department.
The research work is it's never ending. There's always another project to work up, another funding application to submit. So trying to keep it constrained within a reasonable proportion of your non-working hours is probably the biggest challenge. We all put a huge number of hours in, and it's really nice to see that recognised, but it's nice to be part of the infrastructure on a regional level.